Hey YouTubers, I have here LG V20. However, it's giving some power button issues. I would have already pre-ordered a power button on Amazon, but I don't know Jamaica with it. So we like we you know clean up some things and experiment on some things before we do the thing. Alright, I say you don't know we have me mad friend Max, the great phone genie. So him I go do all of the work. So I'm gonna screw it down now so we get back to you shortly. Okay, people. This is it. This right here is what we are going to work with. So what's going on here? Mad Max, take it away. Yeah, don't know Jamaican style of fixing or rectifying problems on your phone. I really don't really know what's happening. So we're trying to find out. We're trying to find out if it's corroded and it can be fixed instead of be replaced. So before we spend a lot of money trying to replace it, we are trying to fix it. So you shall know in the update. So after Mad Max go in his thinking brain and his cap, we see what happens. What? So Mad Max took the button off. There's the button, people. There's the button. He's trying to fix the button. Told you, this man is a mad phone genie, phone guru, phone master. Great mad. It might not work, you know, but I mean. The people them see what you're using. So now he's using a razor blade. We don't have all the tech gadgets, but this is Jamaica. We have universal tools that can accomplish the same task. Wow, look at that. Max. So this is the button. There's a button. What's left of the button? So this is to take away any corrosion if there is any. Then we reassemble it and test it if it's work. If it don't work, see me, we just go ahead on with the replacement button. Alright. Here you go.
Oh, phone like a Mississippi, you know.
Check if you can turn it another way. The moment of truth. Whoa! It's up and running. It's up and running. It's up and running, people. It's up and running. Moment of truth. So it worked. And we are going to test. Give it a thorough test. Alright, after phone powers up. It's taking a while. Alright. Press and hold. Let's see if they. I say you know screw up in a Max. So squeeze down the part which part the grounds there and try it again. Press it and hold it now. See if the option come. Whoa! What? Cancel that. Do it again. Ah, it's working, people. It's working. It's working. It's working. Tell you, Mad Max. Mad Max. Yo, looking at the camera, can y'all get some more phone for fix? Youth, looking at the camera. Jamaican production.